I figured I'd do a little video of what I got blocked out these last few days. That's about 3 or 4 days worth of stuff, I guess. I still gotta do signs for these welcome bears or go away bears or the lake life bears, whatever. I thought that was a pretty cool log. Red bird. I like when they have stuff like this on them. Looks pretty cool. I still gotta sand them, get them all finished out. A little bit bigger bears. Some little bitty dudes. Snowmen. They've been going nuts for them. Christmas. A little Christmas tree. I was going to do a few more of them, but kind of running out of daylight and wanted to do a little video. Red bird welcome signs. These get a little ribbon around their neck once they're sanded and everything. And I carve a little carrot nose for their nose and everything. But that's what I've been doing these last few days anyway. I figured I'd do a little video of some stuff roughed out. I haven't done one in a while, so anyway, I'll do another video here for long, or I'll probably do a video of all this stuff finished maybe. So maybe stay tuned for that. I'll have something up here pretty soon, something new.